Rating my hotel breakfast, day 1. Let's go. So, guys, the hotel was in Indore and it was named Wow. It was seriously so good. Let me give you a small room tour. Let's go to breakfast. There were a lot of flavored yogurts, chutneys, and a lot of fruits, vegetables. Even the flavored cheese was there. There were cereals like chocos, cornflakes, many donuts, even fruit cake, chocolate cake. There were some Indian recipes like misal pav, vada pav, paratha, sevaya upma. Some toppings for misal pav. There was idli sambar. This were caramel carrots, even the field tomatoes and garlic potatoes. So I took was some toasted bread, biscuit, flavored yogurt, butter, jam, fruit cake, and more. This hotel was seriously so good. I would rate my breakfast 10 out of 10.